Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So I'm going to unbox this. This is the BRINKS combo resettable standard security padlock. And then I'm going to show you guys on how to reset this to your new combination lock, which is 4-digit locks. Let's go ahead and open this up real quick. So I believe this is set it to 0000. Okay, so yeah, it is set it to 000. So after that, you want to push this up, the leveler, and then turn it to the left. Push up, left, okay? And then after that, I'm going to set it to 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you do it slowly, or it's going to screw it up. All right, so after you set it to 1, 2, 3, 4, you gotta push this lever to your right and let it go down. And then you just reset the new code to 1, 2, 3, 4. And so if you change, just do one of the combination lock. Now it's lock, unlock. And if you want to reset again, push up and then to the left. And this time I'm going to set it back to 000 again. And put the lever back to your original position. Okay. Test out for you guys again to enter 000. All right, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop it in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.